Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about the Motorola It's 50 Neo. So previous video we did a review of Motorola It's 50 and today we will review the Motorola It's 50 Neo. So this phone has some of difference. So let's talk about the Motorola It's 50 Neo. This phone body weight is 171 gram and Gorilla Glass 3 front aluminium frame, and this phone back dust and water resistant. This phone display is a 6.36 inch LTPO OLED 120 Hz refresh rate, 300 nits, and cheapest made at Dimensity 7304 nm octa-core, and this phone memory is 256 GB with 8 GB RAM, and OS upgradable OS, Android 14 up to 2 major Android upgrades. This phone rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture, and this phone telephoto 10 megapixel, aperture 2.0, and this phone ultra wide angle 30 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. This phone front camera is 32 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. This phone video capture, rear video capture 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps. This is really nice. And front camera 4K with 30 fps, HD with 30 and 120 fps. If we talk about the battery, this phone battery is 4310 mAh with 60 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging system. Connectivity, this phone has 5G, eSIM, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, NFC, fingerprint reader and sound system. So overall this phone is nice, and compared to Motorola it's 50, and this one isn't has a lot of difference, basically the same thing, just some little bit changes. So if you want to buy this phone, you can go with this. Thank you.